A small high-tech business nestled in the woods of Hanover, New Hampshire, calls itself Creare, which in Latin means to create. By surveying the wide array of their technologies, it's easy to understand the genesis of their name.
We do a lot of multidisciplinary work, pulling together people from a variety of fields, mechanical engineers who know something about fluids and thermal stuff, very creative people that in machine design, and we pull them all together and invent new technologies.
The firm has had a long-standing partnership with NASA through the agency's Small Business Innovation Research, or SBIR program. With Dryden Flight Research Center, Creare successfully designed and created a ring buffer network bus, or RBNB data turbine. The RBNB provides management of critical real-time data in a collaborative environment. The technology has helped NASA researchers in ground and flight studies of tropical storms and in flight testing of aircraft.
In real time, they can understand whether the flight has been in the envelope, has stretched the envelope where they're trying to do the tests, etc. And they can provide feedback immediately to the pilot to go and do some additional tests.
Through SBIR awards, Creare worked with several of the centers on cryocooler technologies and developed a cryocooler with unique gas bearings. Eventually, the firm built a cryocooler that helped to repair the Hubble Space Telescope, enabling a key instrument to return to operation. Under an SBIR award from the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, Creare has developed the world's smallest hybrid turbomolecular vacuum pumps. Because of their size, the pumps are ideally suited for small portable devices.
The design of the vacuum pump itself requires precision machining and technology, but the particular breakthrough that we've had is in the electric motor design to operate at very high RPM within this concentric turbo vacuum pump design.
NASA plans to use the pumps on board the Mars Science Laboratory rover. Through SBIR contracts with Glenn Research Center, Creare developed two-phase flow instrumentation and modeling software technologies for microgravity applications. The software models two-phase flow and heat transfer. Recently, the firm delivered an experimental facility to NASA that measures key two-phase flow parameters for spacecraft life support systems. In addition to successful transfer of SBIR technologies to NASA, Creare has spun off two other commercial companies with direct ties to NASA SBIR research efforts. Early on, Creare created a CFD software package called Fluent. While working with NASA Langley and Glenn researchers, the firm had to develop many new capabilities for the software. The success of the code led to creation of a separate company called Fluent. Through an SBIR award from Johnson Space Center, Creare developed a manufacturing technology using special machining techniques. The techniques had other commercial applications that led to another spin-off called Micros. Over the years, Creare has received SBIR awards to develop technologies for almost all of NASA's 10 centers. Those diverse projects range from thermal management to modeling software to biomedical instrumentation to cryogenics. And today, as NASA's complex mission needs change, Creare is ready to create new technologies.
Creare thrives on really challenging problems. That's what we try to work on. The kind of people that we have here, that's what we live for.